Get ready with me. Guys, it's Thursday and it's 6:07 in the morning. Okay, so guys, we're gonna eat, but I'm just gonna post it because my dad said, don't eat while doing this because I'm a little American and I'm really a Filipino. Okay, so I'm gonna post now. So guys, I'm done eating and the time is so fast. It's 6:80 now. And my brother's playing Mobile Legends. Okay, so let's toothbrush. Let's toothbrush, guys. It's started because okay, so let's do the toothbrush. This is my spoon. No, I'm just gonna. It's dark here. Already. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this the tabo. I don't know what's English in the tabo. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it there because I'm gonna do that too. Okay, so guys, I'm done. And we're gonna toothbrush. Wait, I'm gonna put this. There's a little ant. There's a little ant. Okay. This one now. I'm gonna just brush, guys. Ay! What's that? Goku! Goku! Kumain ka na dun.
Okay, I bet we can do it this time. Here we go. Oh, tree. 5 seconds. The more you do things, the
Okay.
I'm gonna try to click.
Look, it's Mama Mary.
5 seconds. The more you do things, the better you'll get. I'm gonna try to click one.
Today I'm going to be showing you some more Minecraft tips and tricks. If you ever want to infinite stuff to draw your friends, all you're going to need is this simple quilt. You're going to build 2 blocks up in this weird triangle shape. Then you're going to place your spot.
Okay, so guys, I'm done. Okay. My brother's gonna shower now. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Oh, my mom said I'm gonna hilamos. I don't know what's the English of hilamos. the. Okay, so guys, it's 6:23. OMG. Do you know the cherry on top? New Beanie song. Okay. Don't mind my dad. He's sleeping. Okay, I'm done hilamusin. Okay, so guys, let's get my uniform. There. Okay, Mom said, let's go. Okay, so guys, tomorrow's Friday, and we're gonna review in the school because we have a quiz, and I don't know where's the pants. In Monday, Tuesday was skirt, and in Wednesday, yesterday is skirt, and today is pants, and tomorrow is skirt. This. We have two because I think this is for my brother and this is mine because this is so big. I don't know what's mine. I'm just gonna tell my mom. Okay. So guys, the big one is mine. So I'm just gonna wait my brother because he's gonna shower. Where's the pants? I can't. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you magic. Just kidding. It's not a magic. Don't mind. Okay, I don't know how to stop this. Ravi, can you stop? Just kidding. Again. What am I gonna do? Okay. Okay. There. And I don't see the pants. Hey guys, it's 6:30 now. There's our pants. So I'm just gonna okay. What's mine? This is for my brother. And this is mine, magenta socks. This is mine. Okay, can I do it again? Okay, we can stop it.
Ligo na dito. Ligo.
Now we're gonna
Mag-jacket ka na.
bye-bye, mamaya. Do the socks. Ingat ka dyan, mamaya. Oh, yeah, that's my birthday. So, tomorrow, I will do this again. Okay. This is my shiny shoes.
Hindi naman gano'n ang pagbibigay. Sa ilalim, taas. Yung medyas pa. Tanggalin mo yung medyas.
This is my shiny.
Oh, malakas ang tubig ah.
That is my favorite, and I have really old shoes that shiny too. Okay. Now, Mama, ako ba ay magja-jacket? Oh, okay. I always want to sit in here This is my favorite.
Saan ka pa dun? Tsaka medyasan dun. Sa tabi. Dun. Anong kulay ng ano? Primary? Red, yellow, blue. Tatanungin niyo.
Okay.
Yun ang quiz ninyo. Yun ang quiz ninyo.
We have a quiz tomorrow and
Red, yellow.
we're gonna review in school.
Tapos
And
sasabi ano
I'm
pa
the
ni-
president of the school. First time to be president.
Go to anong primary color?
Okay.
Ganun lang kadali. Napakadali ng inyong school.
Primary colors.
Madali. Easy lang sa
Okay.
iyo.
I'm done. And where's my shoes? Okay, there.
And guys,
Mama?
there be light. There be light. And God said, there be light. Tataas mo lang.
Mama, ako ba yung magja-jacket?
Ah, magdala ka lang, pero wag mo muna isuot. Lagay mo sa bago.
Sige.
Paano?
Ah,
Malamig sa inyo. Iba yung lamig. Kailan mo ko hindi namin ganyan.
malamig nga yung sa amin. Cold na cold. It's super cold in our classroom. And I have some that. See, I'm just here. Oh, it's hard, guys. Okay, there. I did it. I do it. Okay. So I'm done.
Baka maihi. Umihi ka muna. Hindi ka maihi.
Let's start. So
Ay, iihi ka na lang doon.
let's
Bababa mo.
my jacket.
Itong damit
in my
hahawakan
bag.
mo. Baka mabasa. Ha? Mahirap naman ang pigilan ng ihi. Pupot.
Ay! Uy, 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 uy,
Ihi na nga.
bako. Okay.
Hindi ka ba naiihi?
Kala ko ako kausap mo. Okay, tomorrow our bag is backpack. I'm gonna bring this to school and my catch notebook. And this is my my classmates gift during now. And it smells so good. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it right. Okay, it's pretty hard. Ah! Grabe ko na kung nahulog ka sa tuloy. Okay, there. And
Ito
Done.
si Pipito.
Sad. This is Pipito. I love him. That's his favorite teddy bear. Okay, so I'm done. Wait, it's playtime. It's playtime. No, no, no. Playtime, go ko ngayon. Playtime sa hapon. In afternoon, I think we're gonna play, and this is our Chinese garter. It's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Sorry. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. There.
Huy,
I love
lagyan mo tubig to.
10. Sige.
20.
Patay na yan.
Eat
Bigo ko
it.
mag-make
So, I'm just gonna put some water here. 100. Okay. 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 Hello po, Lola. Nanay.
Kailangan.
Ipapatong ko lang ito po.
Pinagkagawan.
Ha?
Pinagkagawan.
Ano?
Pinagkagawan mo o hindi?
Ano po yung literuhan? Ano yung
Bakit? Tubig.
tubig? Mama, may tubig! Excuse me po. Excuse me. Ako ikaw ko hapong tubig. Okay.
Tubig.
Ay, puro tayo ay.
Bebe.
Wala yan. Hindi na lang.
Bebe.
Wala.
Lisa kaya sa ali.
Yan. Wala yun.
Hey.
Wala kang dala Maritek.
I'm just gonna clean it. Wait for a second or a minute. Then washing it. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. And okay.
Hoy, magsuklay na ate.
I'm gonna comb my hair. Gonna put it here because
May baon ka ha.
it's steady. Let's go.
Natulog ka ba?
First the comb.
Diba mahuhulog ang cellphone pag ginaganyan mo diyan.
Oo nga po.
Oh, ipita na lang kita ate. Kay babanasin mamaya.
Ayun. I'm gonna pause it.
Para di ka lamigin.
Hey, bounce. Ay, kala ko yun yung sa akin.
Bilis. Lalagyan na lang ng pabango. May ID na kayo
Look.
next week.
Yay! Sa August 20. Di ba? Po, ma.
Okay naman.
Okay. And let's my favorite hairpin is this is my friend's gift and it's so cute. Oh my god. This is my mom's gift, I think. I forgot. Okay, so we're gonna do that.
Sa tagig.
Uh-uh.
Ano ba?
Wait,
Aayaw.
guys. Okay, there's my uniform.
Ganon.
Okay, and it's so hot here. Wait, guys.
Hindi na ba ipit?
We'll go. Okay, I'm done. Now we're gonna go to my event and gonna bring this to school. Just my markers.
Ba't may dala ka pang ganyan?
Ang ganda po kasi.
May gagawin ba kayo?
Rainbow.
Okay, so bye guys.
Nilinis mo ba yung tubigan? Hindi. Lilinisin ko ba? Sabi mo may dilaw.
Oo, nilinis ko na po. Okay, so bye guys. we're gonna go to school now. Next for part 2 because in the evening where we had school still. Okay. Bye guys.